I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I.
Happy Tuesday, everybody! So this evening, we're going to unbox 2 items from Lazada. The first one is a table. Well, I have to buy a table for me, my daughter, because she likes painting, doing activities on the table. Since we used the other one for my monitor, I had to buy another for her. She is currently, oh baby, I opened the cut stuff. This, what do you call that, darling? Bubble wrap. The bubble wrap. It's secure wrap, bubble wrap. Wrap heavy. It's kind of heavy. Kasi, ini help how to help. Ah! Oh, be careful. Help me. It's heavy also. This is what we got. And then, cut once more. Cut the tape, darling. Go. This is hard. This is dirty. This table is not really very expensive. It is on sale. It's actually on sale. I got it for 209 pesos. Or that is your expectation. You cannot be getting a very big table after. It's holding for painting, drawing, and other stuff. So my daughter requested for this. Ow! She's having a hard time. Help her. Alright, thanks. Okay. Ow. I need that. You can see. That part. Basically, you only have a few screws and one plank. And then you also have, we call this like steel for the feet. We have 2 of those. Get it? We have 2 of these. And then 1 plank. So this is 4 because I ordered the white one. Of course, white is beautiful. And then another one for the feet. And then you have the instruction. And then you have 1 stopper, like a piece of wood as a stopper. And it has a free screwdriver. Imagine, get that one there. Ow! A few screws over here. Plus, I think this one will be for the feet. It's like a rubber or something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many rubber do we have? 5?
5 spares.
4. The other one is 4.
Spares.
Okay, so later we're going to assemble this table. So who's going to assemble? I can do it. I don't know. Me. Going to assemble? You can't do that. Kuya made that before. It's my turn now. No, you can do it in each screws. Normally, normally we have instructions. Of course, in Chinese. So how do you understand this? I don't know. But this time actually gets it. We will be able to assemble this in a few minutes, right, Kuya? Right, babe?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's made in China. I think it's made in China.
And we are back. And we're back. And we're back. And we're definitely going to assemble. Ready? Hold it, hold the manual.
Using the manual.
So we are going to start the assembly. The assembling of Sassy's table.
Okay.
How do we do this?
We gotta, this is like, these are two of these. And we
So
gotta,
we have to start with the stopper or the connector.
so we gotta,
We're going to put the screw first. Try to just put it and make it stable. Stable, stable, stable. The sides for the steel feet and side. Hey. You gotta make sure that it actually gets inside. The screwdriver for free. It's also included there. Together with the screws. And my daughter over here is excited. I don't know. Probably she's excited because she's going to use the table for her assignments and performance in activities. Right, Dardy? Are you excited?
yeah.
Really excited?
Not that much.
And even our cat is excited.
Ah!
And my daughter is so noisy. So this is unboxing and screwing and putting together our fluffy. Together our simple table. Some more screws are actually placed. Two screws, another two screws are going to be used. Make it sturdy, baby. Sturdy. It's actually easy to assemble.
Ay!
Okay, cool. Julie's having a problem. Doesn't know where to go.
Nice. We almost done.
And then it's already standing up. So this time we're going to put to secure the top of the tabletop. Right, ouchie. We're gonna secure the tabletop more.
Okay.
We gotta take the phone away. Have to secure.
Anyway. Wait.
More screws.
Short lang.
What are you doing?
Short lang yan, short. Parang hindi lumagpas pag mahaba yan, lalagpas yan.
You have to use the small screws.
Pinakawi na naman siya, ano? Daddy na naman.
Yep. Ay. Shucks. We gotta get them. There we go. Assemble them. Assemble them.
Go out.
Hey. Anyway.
Secure the other side.
You need to gamit tayo ng ng mas malaking screw. Mas mahirap eh. Kuha ko ng sulat sa ko. Nalapas na.
Then you put the stopper, babe. Put the stopper, the black one, you put it on the feet.
Okay. Sorry. This is super hard. It's not even working. Okay. Nice. Anyway.
Okay na. Basta na, isa lang. Side na, side. Side only, side na lang.
More screwing on the side. You have four more screws to secure. So that it will really be
No, we only have
sturdy and stand up properly.
We only have 2 random screws.
Extra random. Extra screws.
Wala na, lapit na. Oh. Dito lang.
We're almost done with it. And my daughter is so ulit.
Then push this.
Press. Secure the feet as well.
To avoid
Therefore,
the
Try.
damage the tiles.
We'll try.
alright, and there you have it. We have our new simple white table
White table.
for my baby, for my daughter.
Okay na sa kasi. Okay na.
Yep, and there you have it. Thumbs up, babe.
Are you happy? You have a new table na.
Good job, good job,
Yeah.
Okay.
good job. Bye, everyone. There's our new table, worth 206 pesos only. Thank you, Lazada.
Thank you, Lazada.
So after that table, we're going to do the unboxing of another item that we bought from Lazada this time. This is worth 1,540 because it's supposed to be more, but free shipping and all. So this is actually,
What's this?
what is it, Ray? Do you know this one?
I think it's a chair.
No, it's not a chair. What else?
It's another table.
It's not a table, definitely. It's something that you can lie on. It's not a chair. It's not a chair. It's a folding bed.
Ow.
So it's a very simple folding bed actually that I got from Lazada, and it's on sale in last mall.
Wow.
I really had to think
Wow.
about this a lot, probably 10 times before I added to cart and finally bought this. But I hope that this also becomes sturdy, or is sturdy, so that it can normally be used for a folding bed. But since during siesta time, we really have a problem sleeping on the couch, on the sofa. So it's good packaging according to my husband. So secure with a good box
And a sleeping mask.
yeah, it's for the eyes. It's for the eyes.
Show them. Beautiful.
And
Wow.
What's this?
it's a big folding bed. Nice.
Ow!
And it has a mat.
We gotta blow it up so it can be big.
See? It has a... The size
Look at
of this is large, actually.
It's pretty scary when I want to try it.
It's for the pillow. So when you open this, you're going to open...
Wow!
on top of the folding bed.
So we must be careful to open it or else it might damage.
So it's basically a folding bed and a mat. I bought for 1,540 because it's on flash sale, I believe. And the good thing about this is that it only took 2 days, 3 days before it got delivered. So fast.
Adjustable. Oh.
Yeah, you can recline it actually.
Whenever you want to read and your couch doesn't have the folding thing, you can use this.
Yes, it can also be used for camping.
Yeah, and for beaches.
If you want to bring it outside, you can actually use it also.
And you can use it at the beach.
Florida.
Very fluffy. Very fluffy.
You won't even think that it's as sturdy as what you have right now. Very sturdy, actually. Alright, so it's a folding bed with mat. With a mat.
Very nice.
Ooh, and it's soft also. Very soft. And
Yeah.
this one underneath is also very smooth. So you can actually sleep on it, have siesta on it, nap on it, and read. You know, recline, and you can read your favorite book or play your favorite game while lying on the folding bed. And it has a bed, a pillow. You can put the pillow, secure the pillow.
And they have a
It has a
sleeping.
garter so that you can put it over this when you don't have the mat. So you take off the mat. So you have an instant pillow. And not only that, you even
It
have
has-
something to cover your eyes so that you can sleep a lot, sleep better. Alright, so there you have it. This is our large 1,540 only.
And our table.
Our table, 206 only. 206 pesos only. So what a partner, right? So goodbye from Lazada.
And thank you, Lazada, for these.
Of course. So, I think we're done with this. So hope you have a good night, everybody. And you have more to unbox soon, of course. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Happy Tuesday.
Have a Tuesday too.
Bye.
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 Goodbye.